Hello, this is Crypto Marshall and today we'll talk about current market conditions. Please bear in mind this video is not a financial advice. So, let's get to business. Okay, the past week has been very interesting. On Sunday 25th, we saw the lowest point of our correction, which was 46,930 USDT on Binance. As I've explained in the previous video, the correction was a result of President Joe Biden announcing capital gains tax increase without any detailed information. The sellout was also affected by negative news in Turkey, where Turkish government banned any payments in crypto and performed crackdowns on several exchanges in suspicion of money laundering. All of that resulted of around 27.5% of Bitcoin price reduction. There were several indicators pointing towards the bear market, which were losing 50-day moving average on a daily chart, fear and greed index going down to 37, which was fear, death cross on 4-hour chart. I was personally expecting the market to go a bit lower into the buffer zone and start working from there. That support zone was ranging from 46.3 to 44k. Again, I used to mention that it was important to preserve the resistance in order to stay in the current structure. So, what happened? The market did not go as low as I initially anticipated, and why did it happen? Well, to begin with, we got our RSI hitting rock bottom on a daily, and the anticipation for a bounce was brewing long enough. As for fundamentals, we got President Joe Biden clarifying the statement around capital gains tax. As it described, the tax will only be applicable to entities earning more than $1 million, meaning it would only affect 0.3% of all US taxpayers, which was a relief for the majority of traders and investors, retail investors and traders. Then we got Tesla selling 10% of their Bitcoins, which caused a controversy on the market, specifically crypto Twitter. Dave Portnoy expressed his thoughts that Elon Musk was pumping Bitcoin market in order to sell at higher prices, implicating market manipulation. At which point he receives a response from Elon Musk himself. Mr. Musk responded that he did not sell any of his Bitcoins, and Tesla sold 10% of its holdings just to prove the liquidity of Bitcoins on the balance sheet of the company. So all of that was good news, because North Americans can trade without being scared of higher taxes, and Tesla is proving the benefits of holding crypto to its investors by demonstrating how liquid it is. Okay, coming back to the technical. We managed to regain 50-day moving average as support again, which is very important for preserving the bullish trend. But it can require more than tax clarifications and Tesla's positive crypto approach to push the price up. So we'll be watching. Another important chart is BTC Dominance chart. The Bitcoin has fallen below 50% of total crypto market capitalization. Is it good? Is it bad? I wouldn't say it's bad. I would say it's a positive sign for altcoins. There is a huge opportunity to earn more money on other projects apart from Bitcoin. To be more specific, our current narrative is shifting towards Ethereum and DeFi. And we can say that based on the charts, Ethereum did sink on the 18th of April, but managed to make another all-time high on the 22nd of April, whilst Bitcoin was struggling with further price decline. Now Ethereum makes all-time highs nearly every single day. Even now you can see it's eyeing for 3k. The Fundstrat is stating that Ethereum might hit 10k this year based on the current ratio of Ether to Bitcoin market capitalization. Currently the ratio is around 30%. In the last bull run, Ethereum was able to reach as high as 80% with that ratio. Using these metrics, Fundstrat is projecting the price of Ethereum of 10k. I'm personally expecting that Ethereum is eyeing 3k, as you can see. That would be another psychological level of resistance to beat. If so, we can move towards 3.5k in the future. Cardano recently introduced Cardano Africa, which means the Cardano team will be working with Ethiopia's Ministry of Education in order to create a blockchain for 5 million students and teachers, which is supposed to be the largest blockchain deployment in the world. Speaking of mass adoption, the blockchain will allow keeping track of the grades, monitoring school performance, and many more. Chainlink has been growing with more Oracle projects around it. Dust Network integrating with Link now in order to implement privacy features to DeFi ecosystem. Recently, Link has been listed on eToro, which is always good because listing on the exchanges provides more liquidity and exposure. I personally have a good faith in Link because it has a solid foundation behind the idea and the team is working hard towards that idea. Expect another massive leg up for altcoins in the nearest future, specifically with decentralized finance narrative. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like such kind of content, please like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.